Honda just brought back a legend. The 2026 VFR750R returns after decades, and it might be the most exciting revival we've seen in years. Welcome back to Next Gen Reviews. Today, we're diving into a motorcycle that carries serious racing heritage, the reimagined 2026 Honda VFR750R. Design. Starting with design, Honda has masterfully honored the original while creating something fresh. The twin headlight setup pays tribute to the iconic RC30 ancestry. Aggressive fairings combined with modern aerodynamic shaping for a striking profile. Premium paintwork, exposed frame elements, and meticulous attention to detail showcase true craftsmanship throughout. Performance. Performance is where this machine truly shines. The refined V4 engine delivers thrilling power with that unmistakable exhaust note enthusiasts love. Acceleration feels urgent yet controllable. The lightweight chassis responds instantly to rider input. Braking performance inspires complete confidence, whether on track or spirited backroad rides. Technology enhances without overwhelming the pure riding experience. Selectable power modes, cornering ABS, and wheelie control come standard. The compact TFT display delivers essential information clearly. Quick shifter functionality enables seamless gear changes during aggressive riding sessions. Conclusion. The 2026 Honda VFR750R successfully honors its legendary past while embracing the future. A true collector's piece built for riding. What are your thoughts on this iconic return? Drop your opinions in the comments below. If this review helped, hit that like button and share it with fellow enthusiasts. Subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for more content like this. Thanks for watching.